Hello kids, welcome to my channel Pixel Kids Play and Learn. Welcome to Grammar Adventures. Today, our brave explorer, Alex, and their curious robot friend, Robo, are on a quest to find nouns and verbs. Are you ready to join them?
Hi everyone, I'm Alex and this is my friend Robo. Today we're going on an exciting adventure to find nouns and verbs. Let's go.
Beep boop, let's start our quest.
What are nouns? First, let's find some nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or animals.
Look, Robo, there's a tiger, a tree, and a river. These are all nouns.
Beep boop, tiger, tree, river, got it.
Now we're in the city. Can you spot the nouns here?
Car, building, park, nouns found.
Let's visit a school. What nouns can we find here?
Teacher, students, classroom, more nouns.
Great job, Alex and Robo. Nouns are everywhere. They help us name the things around us. Next, let's find some verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something is doing.
Jumping. Running. Reading. Running, jumping, reading. These are all verbs.
Beep boop, running, jumping, reading, verbs found.
Now we are in the library. In the library, we can find more verbs. Look, Robo, people are reading, writing, and studying.
Reading, writing, studying, more verbs.
Now we're in a kitchen. What verbs can we find here?
Cooking, eating, washing, even more verbs.
Fantastic. Verbs show us actions, making our sentences lively and dynamic. Now it's your turn. Can you help Alex and Robo identify the nouns and verbs?
Shout out the nouns and verbs you see.
Beep boop, let's see if you got them right. Cat, school, and book are nouns. Swim and dance are verbs.
Great job, everyone. You're amazing at finding nouns and verbs. We did it. We found lots of nouns and verbs. Thanks for helping us on our quest.
Beep boop, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more grammar adventures.
See you next time, adventurers.
Hope you enjoyed this video. See you again. Thanks for watching.